Okay, today in this video I'll show you how to transfer data from your Android device to your iPhone. So I'll ensure a clean transfer by resetting the iPhone. So whether you are a new iPhone user or merging data, this process is straightforward. So first of all, head to settings app and you need to select general option, and after that you need to scroll down and you can find this option, transfer or reset iPhone. So now we have to click on erase all content, and then you need to now continue. After that it will ask for your passcode. Now hit your passcode and then you can just select erase your iPhone option here. It will take some minutes and you can see this kind of hello page. So grab your phone and move with some basic settings. So I'll go with English. So you have to select your region now. So my region is already selected. So tap on next and you need to continue here. So you need to connect to your internet. So I'll just hit my Wi-Fi's password. So now it will take some time. So after that you need to continue. You can set up your Face ID later. So for a while I will keep my password as 123456. So I don't recommend this passcode, but for a while you can use it. So now we have to go with the fourth option, move data from Android. So now grab your Android phone and head to Play Store and download this application called Move to iOS. Okay, so and you must connect your Android phone as well to your internet. So tap on that QR code icon and head to the app. So the app is from Apple, and for a while you can agree all those settings that this application would ask you. So tap on not now and continue. So you have to hit one code here. So first of all you need to swipe up your screen and click on continue again. So you will receive this kind of code. So hit that code on your mobile phone. After that it will show this kind of screen. So and now you have to select what you want to transfer. So I'll go with this option and you can see the transfer is completed. So click on continue and now we have to hit your Apple ID here and tap on next. So after a while you will receive a code on your mobile phone and click on continue. So it will take some time, and now we are at the end of this video. So now hit your old passcode here and click on continue and just go with continue, and now we are successfully able to transfer our files from Android to your iPhone. Thanks for watching.